You know, are you know SOS? What is that, Wang Luan? What do you mean SOS? Wait, I will turn on the light, okay, so that you can see me better. There, I forgot to switch on the light. Sorry. Now I'm here. Now you can see me. Yes, maganda ang view. Maganda talaga ang view dito. Mary Pinky Vlog. Shouty. Nasaan ka, Mary Pinky? Where are you? Where are you? Mary Pinky? Dapat pala nag-vertical ako, no? Para... Okay, wala na tayong magagawa. Ganyan na eh. Baka magbago yung pag-iisip ni YT. Yan, shout to everyone sa Bacoor. Nako, tiga ano ka? Tiga Bacoor ka, ano? Mary Pinky. Sikat na sikat yung nyo yung congressman nyo Teka. Puti Sikat na sikat yung congressman nyo Mary Pinky, si Meow Meow. Si Congressman Bragaza ba yun? Meow Meow. Okay, binoto mo ba yon, Ma'am Pinky? Thank you, Ann Carlos. Originally from Roas City, Capiz. Okay. So, napangasawa mo, tiga Cavite. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali. O kung hindi man, due to work or personal reasons, kaya ka napunta na Cavite. SOS Orphans Village. Okay. Thank you everyone for coming. Don't forget to like my live stream, friends. Yan. You know, you cannot see them very good because it's very dark. No? Sun Country ka host. Ma'am Ann Carlos, nandito ako sa Hanoi, Vietnam. Sorry hindi ko nilagay sa kasi busy yung laptop natin eh. Naghihika-host na yung laptop natin. Ma'am Ann Carlos, pasensya na I wasn't able to put the pin location of my live stream. But I'm here in Hanoi, Vietnam po. Ma'am Ann Carlos. From Philippines, I'm from Batangas. Sa Pilipinas naman po, sa Batangas si Hozone Flix. Yan, maraming salamat po for coming here. Yan, kung meron kayong mga live, open mic live stream, do shout out me para makapasyal naman ako sa open mic. Sino may open mic live stream yan? Nag-open mic live stream. Yan, kung gusto niyo ng mag-iingay sa live stream nyo, yan, imbitahin nyo lang po ako. Sabihan nyo po ako. Hindi po ako magaling kumanta, sintonado, so ganun lang. enjoy lang. And Wang Luan already dropped her link. Please do connect our friend Wang Luan. Thank you. Let's try. Ayan, sorry. Ayan, sorry. I miss pressing a button. Sorry. Marvy Pangilinan, mega love shout out to you, Marvy. How's everything, Miss Marvy Pangilinan? Shout out everyone. Thank you for supporting here. Okay. Thank you po sa mga nandyan. Thank you for dropping by here. Don't forget to like the live stream of post. Pwede ko ba itong i-vertical? Pwede yata siyang i-vertical. Hindi na kasi nakaset.